Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make images move in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to open the Capcut and start a new project if you haven't already. In my case, I am going to be choosing this project that I have been working. I'll click on it to start making the images move. So basically what I have right now is a video, and I'm going to add a photo here. How? Just click the button here, the plus button on the timeline. You see that white plus button? Click on it so you can import your own photo. I'm going to be choosing this image for this one right here. I'm going to tap on it so I can remove, or not actually remove, but move the photo along with it. So right now, I wanted to just cover right here. I'm gonna delete this for now. I'm gonna zoom the video. Let me undo that. All right, so there. For us to be able to make this move, what we have to do is to create an animation by using the zoom in and zoom out effect. All right, so how do we do that? First off, we need to add the keyframe. We have a separate video on how to add a keyframe here. You see this diamond icon beside the timeline right here. If you click that, that means we are creating a keyframe that would create a special effect. For this, I'm going to zoom it out and then add the keyframe for this. Add a keyframe. So let's try that. You see that? Now and then, let me drag this all the way here. Maybe around this time, I'm going to add another keyframe wherein I'm gonna rotate this here, add a keyframe. Going here, add a keyframe right here. You see the diamond that has been added. So I'm gonna rotate this. It's automatically being added. But if you want to add a keyframe, you can just press the diamond on the center. Now, if you play it together, what will happen is we should be able to create a moving images or image here in Capcut without any problem to create a seamless and cohesive effect, right? And once you're happy with it, all I have to do is click the export button, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.